One of the features of the flow control unit is the ability to monitor in real time the flow and pressure of our trial. During the operation of the device, the user can access the graph displays through the graph menu. In this section, two graphs are presented, one for pressure and one for flow. While in the pressure control operation mode, the setpoint will be displayed in millibar above the graph. The setpoint can be changed while running in steps of 5 millibar. In case a lower step is needed, the flow and pressure menu can be accessed directly to make any adjustments. The graph shows a limited range of values in its axis. However, when a reading gets out of range, the axis will readjust to show the readings in the most efficient way. Only when the flow sensor is connected to the device and the flow control operation mode is being used, the flow setpoint will be available. This setpoint is shown in microliters per minute and can be regulated in 25 unit steps from the graph window. If more resolution is needed, the flow and pressure menu can be accessed directly, just like the previous case. The axis in this graph will also readjust to better fit the readings from the sensor.